Age discrimination in the workplace is unfortunately not only a widespread issue in the state of California, but in the United States as a whole. According to a recent AARP study, more than 60% of older workers have experienced discrimination in the workplace based on their age. The Department of Fair Employment and Housing in the state of California reports that over 21% of the employment claims that they receive are based on age discrimination. The pandemic has also brought the issue of age discrimination into the limelight. In the last few years, as employers have looked to cut costs, it has disproportionately affected our older generation of workers. Age discrimination can have serious impacts for the person who is experiencing it. It can lead to feelings of isolation, lowered self-worth in terms of a person's skill set, and it can have serious financial impacts for that person if they lose their job or lose out on promotional opportunities. There are legal protections in place for people who have experienced discrimination in the workplace based on their age. The Fair Employment and Housing Act is a law in the state of California that protects workers over the age of 40 who may be experiencing discrimination based upon their age. Under FEHA, age discrimination occurs when an employee is treated less favorably because of their age being over the age of 40. This discrimination can take on many forms, including hiring practices that favor younger applicants, stereotyping older workers as being less productive or adaptable. It can also take on the form of denying someone a promotion or training opportunity simply because of their age. It can impact interactions with an employee, such as assuming an older person is less technologically savvy. It can take the form of setting age limits on job applications. The Fair Employment and Housing Act also prevents retaliation based upon someone's age, including making offensive comments or taking actions against somebody because of their age. Let's discuss what you can do if you are facing harassment or retaliation because of your age. The first thing to do is gather up any evidence that you have, including any emails, text messages, and photographs. It's also helpful to keep a diary or a log of any statements or inappropriate comments that are being made to you as they occur, so that you have a clear record of the discrimination at a later date. You should include as many details as possible, including the date and time, as well as any witnesses. The next step that you should take is to report to the HR department the discrimination and harassment that you are experiencing. If you don't have an HR department, then you should report the conduct to upper management and make sure to do it in writing. If the situation still continues, it's time to contact an experienced employment law attorney. If you're in California, I'd be happy to talk with you about the particular facts and circumstances of your situation and explain to you what your options are. I appreciate you taking the time today to watch this video. If you found it informative, please leave me a like. If you have any other topics that you'd like to see me discuss in the employment law arena, please leave a comment for me below. If you know anybody who's experiencing discrimination in the workplace because they're over the age of 40, please feel free to share this video with them. If you'd like to see more videos on employment law issues, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you watching today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.